Hello, my name is Kelsey from SimQ. Today, I will present our SimQ VIT software for virtual implant testing. Let me show you how SimQ VIT assists in verification, strength assessment, and safety of patient-specific implants. To start, we click the desktop SimQ icon to open the software. We can now set up highly complex biomechanical simulations for each patient within minutes. When starting a new project from the dashboard, the user can see the different workflows for different anatomical regions and implant types. More workflows are soon to follow and can be set up based on customer needs. Let's open our Mandible tooth-supported dental bridge workflow. To set up a simulation, we import the bridge and tooth stump STL files. Choose the materials for the bridge. Different materials are implemented in our library, and of course, more can be added according to customer needs. Next, set the landmark to register the patient-specific geometry to a known reference model. All the landmarks are labeled by tooth number and surface type. There is a guide pictured on the right as well. Do not place a landmark on a surface where a stump is not present. In this case, just skip the landmark. Once the landmarks are set, click Register, and a transparent overlay will appear. This overlay represents the known reference model and should adequately cover the patient-specific geometries as shown here. Once verified, now choose a mandibular load case from a predefined selection. These are also customizable according to customer needs. As it is a biomechanical simulation, we have also implemented features in our simulation to accurately reflect how a tooth stump and surrounding ligaments respond to the load case. Here, the user can change the load case position by simply moving the main force arrow. Now we save the project and send it for simulation. Projects are sent to the cloud and calculated. Dental simulation results can be retrieved within 3 to 10 minutes depending on structure complexity. Once we retrieve and download the simulation, we see several different results for review. I'll highlight them now. The first option, Material Limits Exceeded, easily shows the user if there is obvious excessive force past the recommended material limit. Total Deformation All shows the deformation in millimeters of the bridge and the tooth stumps. Shear, tension, and von Mises stress of the bridge can also be seen, as well as normalized strain of the tooth stumps. It also gives valuable information to designers when creating the personalized restoration design. In summary, the workflows implemented in SimQ VIT software provide a robust, reliable, and fast solution for the assessment of mechanical stability of patient-specific implants. The results of patient-specific simulations can be utilized by medical device manufacturers and medical professionals alike to improve the implant designs and avoid implant failure. Workflows for other anatomical regions can also be implemented together with customers. Stay ahead of the competition and benefit from our new innovative software, SimQ VIT. We look forward to hearing from you.
SimQ, we personalize patient care with simulation.